Alright guys, I haven't made no video for a while. I've been kind of concentrating on life. Just got home from church. I'm not in my church clothes no more. Because I got some work to do to the old GMC. So I'm going to be doing some rust repair on it today. As y'all, if you watch my TikToks, you've already seen that. But I'm going to be doing that. But yeah. Alright, so here's what I'm preparing. All this here, that there, all up in there. With a new panel that a good friend of mine's brought up from Tennessee. Appreciate you, James. So, yep. Give out. There's that. So, I'm not no expert at this. I don't claim to be a body guy, a body technician, but just kind of honestly just trying to get everything set up for the Jamboree this weekend coming up. Not this past weekend, next weekend. Like I said, if you guys were in the Indiana area before, come on out and see us. I'll be there. Don't know where. Don't know where. So where do I cut this at? Yeah, it goes up there pretty high. So I'm thinking. So that's the crease. You know what? I'll be right back, y'all. For you guys, be a minute. Alright, I'm back. So, I already got my cuts made, but I'm trying to think what I want to do next. I know I need to cut this off. I'm trying to find my safety glasses. I can't find them. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go find my safety glasses. I can't do this, so. Alright, back at it again. Find me some. Now, I don't have to worry about anything flying in my eyes. Usually I don't really care, but can't even see anything out of these damn things. Yeah, a little better, but. Well, there's one piece. Where you guys at? There it is. There's one piece. I probably could have cut it right here and be good, but kind of want to. Oh, there's two pieces off. Oh, a lot more than two. There's like a whole pile of rust down here on the floor. Yeah, watch what I do, because we got some wiring up in here. Why am I doing it in pieces for? Because that way I can check and make sure I ain't gonna cut into some very porch. test fit here and see how it fits now. I'm gonna cut this here right here. I'm probably gonna cut it up in here somewhere in the middle. Looking a lot better. Well, I'm gonna concentrate working on this. I will video it by the time I get it done. And yeah. Alright, I'm back at it again. So I got it off. I got all the rust off. So now it's just time to start putting it back up in there. I might take and cut this off some more. Try to cut that off. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. But it's not what this is gonna look like. It's gonna have this on it. But I figure I'd give you guys some video of just talked to my friend and he told me what to do, so that's perfect right there. So now, cut this out right here. And I should be, cut that out right there. It should be able to go right in there. Somewhere here for the clamp to stick to. We're getting there. This side's fine, it's just like I get this in here. Y'all, so here's what I got done. Told y'all I'd get another, for you guys to be a second, for me multiple hours. Some more body work needs to be done. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a body guy, but I think I did pretty good for just no person like I am that don't know what I'm doing, but not perfect, but And this is not temporary, small stainless steel. Just for rockers for right now, but there it is before I paint it. Which I think it looks pretty good. Well, truck is done. I'll show you guys it here in just a second. Don't judge me in the comments. Don't roast me. I'm not a body guy. I don't claim to be one. I just do this because it's my personal truck. I will not do this for anybody else but my personal self and my dad's. And that's it. Or my buddies. But I'm not doing this for nobody. I don't do the claim to do this for a living. I don't know what I was doing, but I did it. I got it done. So I'll show you guys it in 3, 2, 1. Got the cab corner, fake third door done. Got the temporary rocker in place. Got it all painted. All I gotta do now is the passenger side rocker in cab corner. But that looks like $100 bill better. It's not perfect. I know it's not perfect, but it's what it is. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Anyhow, so this is the end of the video. Please like, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys at the Jamboree. Come see me. I don't know where I'm going to be out there. I will post a video, the short clips on TikTok and Instagram, where location I'm at up there. Hoping I get the north side like we used to get every year. If you guys see the truck out there, the Jeep is not going this year. The Jeep's sitting out. But the dad's Suburban and my Jeep's going this year. So, yeah, this is pretty much the last week to get everything done for the trucks and the Suburban. Because next weekend coming up. So, it's going to be here quicker than I think. But yeah. Pretty much. I gotta take it and get it washed. But anyhow, like, rate, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And don't roast me in the comments, y'all. Because I don't do this for a living. So, this is my temporary. I do this for my personal stuff. But tell me, leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me doing some cutting grass and mowing yards and stuff like that videos, because that's what I'm trying to go in doing full time as lawn care maintenance man for properties and stuff and whatnot. And so yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna get off here. Like, rate, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And keep them Jeeps in the ditches and off-road. Just keep on rocking. See y'all later.